is a, I think probably, let's see what it says in here. This is a 25 Indian Chieftain. Dark horse, color white, looks like. So, doing a quick test drive. It was supposed to be like a swap your swag today, but it looks like it's do a test ride. I can't say it's the best weather for a test ride, but we will see. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to do a test ride today. Literally, swap your swag stuff. A little weird on the shift there, or I can't fucking ride anymore. I'm used to hill toe shifters. So, anyway, this has got the adjustable windshield, the ride command, which is okay, I guess. Of course, I have a 2020 Indian Challenger. So, this is kind of the same for me. So, this is more like a street glide, I guess, than a road glide. I really don't know what size engine is in this. I didn't ask really much about this thing, so ride's nice. The question will be, and I doubt this does have it, to be honest with you. Like the adjustable suspension on this, I thought maybe at some point they was going to rider assist is. Bike hold control, I don't know what that is. Rear collision warning lights. Tailgate warnings. This shit's new. Wonder what the fuck that stuff is. Blind spot warning, that's kind of nice. I'm not messing with it because what I was really looking at was and actually it could be on the main, maybe the main screen. Let's see. Tailgate warning, blind spot warning. Just seeing if they had the adjustable suspension on this, which they don't. It don't look like anywhere. Not that I could find. It's alright. Ride's nice. It's got enough to get up and go. The color white. My 2020 is that flat black, and it's fucking horrible. Dirtier and shit. This white would probably stay cleaner. The adjustable windscreen goes down to there, which you get this fucking helmet is like noisier and shit. So I usually keep mine up. You got the little pocket for extras, like your phone or whatever would go up there. But the ride command is, although different features, it looks like it works the same as mine. Controls, you got power on, right? Then you got start and shut down. Cruise control, windshield. You got your horn, your bright lights, turn signals. This is your menu button if you want to go menu, and this is your volume and what have you. Fuck off. There's a cop that'll pull me over, so that's fucking lovely, isn't it? And then maps, I think, or this is GPS. This is just like getting back to your main screen, I think, and it just flips through if you can't glove it over or something. Then this was your maps. Go back to there. This is your settings menu. This is your phone, and this is your radio. Like if you had your phone hooked up, and this is your radio. And this goes to your settings. And we're going back to 161 here. This is Iron Pony Motorsports. This is where I'm doing this test drive from, or at anyway. So the unexpected test drive. Gets up and goes. So, like I said, I don't know if it's got the bigger engine in this thing. I doubt it. Probably. I think the only ones that they may have done that to was the Challengers, potentially. So, I can't tell. Hopefully, the new ownership do better with their performance and such. Because at some point they're going to have to keep up with Harley. I know when I bought mine, I could pretty much run down most of the Harleys out there. That's just stock, right? Stock to stock. So even the CVOs maybe back in 2020 I could. But anyway, I bought the Challenger over the Harley because of the price point. So it's really why I got a 2020 Indian Challenger at this point. Or an Indian in general. So but yeah, nice little riding bike. It's a 25 Chieftain. I mean, I feel like I'm pretty comfortable on it per se. So not too I feel like I got enough leg room. I guess is what I'm trying to get at. Probably not a very good review, but I wasn't really expecting to do a test drive today, to be honest with you, but here we are. Anyway, I'm back at the dealer. That's all I got for you. So we'll talk at you later.